In this video, I want to share with you three things to consider before venturing into tech. Being in the tech space and being in the coding bootcamp, which I am currently for the past 6 months, I've seen 80% of the individuals who we started with give up in a matter of just 2 months alone. The reason why they gave up is simply because a lot of them didn't have the right mindset. Now, this brings us to our very first point. Coming into tech for the purpose of making money fast is not always the solution. Yeah, tech might give you large amounts of money, thousands of dollars, millions of dollars, but without giving it the amount of time to study and learn that particular skill, bro, sis, you're just going to be wasting your time basically. Every good thing requires time. At the beginning stages, we look at HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. JavaScript alone has the ability to drain your energy for as long as 6 months. You need to give yourself time to grow in order to advance in what you've learned. Secondly, we look at location. Location determines how faster they learn. You're a student and you live with your parents. You might not actually learn effectively because they're always going to tell you to do one thing or the other. You can set out a particular place whereby if you're coming to learn, you're coming to learn. And whatever you want to learn in that current time, you're going to be able to navigate or learn that thing effectively. Thirdly, what matters is your time. Learning the full stack web development program, and I'm learning languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the likes. Each of the programming languages, they all require my time. I need to learn any of these programming languages effectively. I need to dedicate a certain amount of my time to learning this particular language well. The moment we wake up, we go about our daily routine for the morning. After going through that, you have several hours to yourself. These hours which you have to yourself, you have to pick a portion of this time in order for you to study what you need to study for that particular day. You want to study HTML semantics for that particular day. For you to study that HTML semantics very well, you need to pick at least, for instance, 2 hours of your time to learning this particular language well. If you pick these 2 hours of your time and you go through it thoroughly, you are dedicating these 2 hours of your time to deep work. By giving it deep work, you're eliminating distraction, and by doing this, it compounds. That's the law of compounding effect. The more you're working in the phase of mastery later on. I've stated three things in order for you to consider while moving in this tech space. Lastly, I'll give a bonus tip. You need to have a roadmap. A roadmap is going to lead you onto the right path. You don't need to pick up several other languages to learn. No, with this roadmap, you'll be able to navigate the whole process. You're giving it focused learning. Focused learning that is directed on a path in order for you to learn or master that skill effectively. And through this roadmap, you'll be able to know which languages you are to focus on more and not several other languages whereby it takes too much of your time, and at the end of the day you're not learning anything but you're getting confused. That's one of the reasons why you can just easily dump the space and be like, nah, I don't want to go through this learning phase because it's too difficult. But in actual sense, it's not really hard. You just need to know the right things in order for you to navigate the whole tech space and learn more effectively. If this video gave you value, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell for whenever I get to post next time, so you'll be at alert. Kindly give a thumbs up if you like this video. Kindly leave a comment in the comment section for what I need to improve or what I did that was very nice that you like. Thank you very much, fam. Peace out.